Hi, I'm Alan Courtney of KWS and welcome to this short overview of the display screen equipment guidance and assessment management tool we've created using Power-Ups for Microsoft 365 and Teams. Over the past few years we've seen a revolution in work practices, and this has resulted in many personnel working at least part-time from home and locations other than their normal office environment. When working from home, organisations obviously have much less direct control of a user's workplace and how and where personnel complete their daily tasks, but the organisation still retains responsibilities to ensure that a safe and supportive working environment is maintained for those users. As an organisation has no direct ability to police where a user sits or how they work, we've created the DSE Assessment and Guidance tool to strongly recommend how best to use equipment and to record potentially multiple assessments reflecting a user's changing workplace. The application is built in Microsoft Power Apps and data is held in Microsoft 365 or Teams. Power Apps is a great solution builder, and we've included lots of flexibility and configurability in the forms to make formatting changes a lot easier. We can use Power Apps to display and process the assessment record, and guidance and terms specific to your organisation can be included by the system manager to make things easy to understand and employ. Importantly, if you need to add some new questions to a section, we've added a few extra spaces in each question group to allow for this. The system encourages adding filtered views and access to records via web pages, navigators and SharePoint lists, etc. However, we've specifically not built a highly structured front end, as we often find that organisations want to embed the front end of the DSE tool in their own existing web-based systems. There are 7 sections in the basic form and there are up to 10 questions per section. Normally the form is completed in one sitting, but you can decide if your organisation wants it that way. Once every field is completed, a user presses the Save and Submit button, which locks the document and sends an email with a link to an internal trained assessor. The assessor's job is to reply to the questions with a no, or where help has been requested, in order to provide insights and relevant guidance. When they have fully responded to the form, the assessor has a Save and Complete button to lock their answers and send an email back to the originator. It's a simple but very useful control mechanism. There's a lot more to this application than I've shown here, but I hope this gives you an idea of the basics of how it works, and if you would like to know more about it or have a demo or just talk to us about some of the other Power App based applications we've created, and we've got quite a few of those, do please drop us an email to info@kwsservices.co.uk and we'll get back in contact soonest. Thanks very much indeed for watching, and I do hope it's been useful. Regards and keep well.